Hello guys, welcome to Mate Mobile Phone Repair to my YouTube channel. And here is my first long video that I'll post this year. Yes, so today's video I'm going to show you is how you can change charging port if you don't have a blower or a workstation. With your soldering iron, you'll be able to change the charging point accurately without needing any blower or candle you don't know how to use, such as candle and other things. Just only the soldering iron and your paste with your lead. Everything will be done. First of all, get ready your downboard or down panel. Then from here you turn on your soldering iron. Make sure it's very hot. And make sure you have your tweezer. It's your tweezer. Then you will on your soldering iron and make sure it's very hot. Then you hold your tweezer like this and open the charging port. Look at, you turn it upside down and open it like this. Yes, you see it, right? Then you add your lead, sorry, your paste for softening removal. Add your paste. This is a live video, no editing, nothing. I'll do it here, you guys will see. So after that, you just press it like this. You press it, then you keep pressing it side by side till the charging point will be removed. I don't know whether you guys can see me. I'm sorry for that because my camera is not that clear enough for you guys to see it very well. Look at, I've removed the cover. So right here remains the rubber. So on this rubber you add your paste, then you just hold it this way, then you just hit everything together. And if things will just remove easily. So you guys can see. So that's it. So that's how you can remove your charging port without blower, rework station or candle and other stuff. Then you make hole like this so that you'll find it very easy. Like I could have shown you if I can hold my camera for myself, but no one is here. I'm the only one here that's holding the camera. So you just put the the soldering iron together with this. Once you see the lead have softened, then you just blow air on it, on the hole. You see everything will remove. Now if I want to fix a new charging point, I can even fix it like this. I can even hook it like this. You guys can see, I can even hook it like this. Then now adding the lead and the soldering like together. So that's all what I have today. Thanks for watching. So if you like this video and you like me to post more tips and short way you can do to repair your phone in an easy way without you having some equipment, so you drop it in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and do well to hit the like button, subscribe for more video like this. Thank you.